thank you so much for checking out my channel today. My name is Mdevaan. Please hit the subscribe button. Today's recipe is beef stew, which I'm serving with rice and veggies. If you'd like to know how we got here, please keep watching. Thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button. The first thing I'm going to do is blend my onions, my boiled tomatoes to reduce water content, and also a mix of peppers. So I'm just going to blend all this together while I get ready to cook our beef. So you can blend this like a rough chop, or like a full blend, whatever you like and however you like your stew. The next thing I'm going to do is to boil our beef, and I'm doing a very simple marinade today because I'm not frying the meat. The meat's still going to cook all together with the stew, so I'm doing something very simple, just a little mix of thyme, seasonings, garlic, which I forgot to put but I put in much later, and a bit of curry and onions. So that's basically what's going into meat marinade today, and I'm just going to let this cook slowly on the burner while I head back to get our stew ready. And our pan is already heating, our pan is already dried. The next thing I'm going to do is pour in palm oil. This is fresh palm oil from my mother's garden, guys. Like, this palm oil was made in my house. Super fresh. And I'm adding chopped onions into the palm oil, letting that fry a little bit, and then pouring in our mix of blended peppers, tomatoes, and onions. And right now, from this moment on, it's just going to be a game of can you mix me more? I was just going to mix. You're just going to keep mixing this till you get to the level that you want, which is like totally fried. That's me adding my garlic that I forgot into the meat. So I'm just going to keep mixing this. I've already said this on the channel before. If you want to get your stew like very fried, once you can have it on the spoon and it's still frying, then you know that your pepper is ready. A little trick my grandmother taught me when I was much younger. So our meat is cooking nicely, our pepper is frying nicely in our palm oil. We're good to go. So today I will not be frying our beef. I'm going to be putting our parboiled beef straight into our fried pepper and tomato base, and I'm going to fry everything together at once. And once I get to a level I like, and then I'm going to add our remaining stock from the beef. So the stew is pretty much straightforward, and once this is done, your stew is ready to be paired with any carb that you like. Our stew is ready. Thank you so much for watching. At this point, make sure you've tasted your stew and you've checked if you need any additional seasoning, and you're basically good to go. So what are you pairing this stew with? Let me know in the comment section. Please please leave a comment, please hit the subscribe button, please share this video with your friends. Guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Mdevaan. Subscribe.